Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to break down an article from yesterday about Tesla and about how it's breaking out ahead of earnings. So just to reiterate, guys, not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research before investing. Also, make sure that you like the video if you found value in today's content. Also, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our videos and you want to see more like this one. So let's dive into it, guys. So Tesla stock is breaking out ahead of earnings, okay? And if you watched our other video, which is popping up in the right hand corner of your screen. We talk about when earnings are coming out on 4/26. So in anticipation, it looks like we're getting some momentum up, more to the upside. Okay, so stock in electric vehicle pioneer Tesla closed above $700 Monday for the first time in about a month. Shares are on the move again Tuesday as investors look ahead to the first quarter earnings due out later in April. Tesla stock is up more than 5% midday trading Tuesday to almost $740 a share. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 for a comparison are flat. The stock hit a high of 900 in late January, but has tumbled since. Tesla has struggled to top 700 as U.S. interest rates started to move higher. The yield on the 10-year Treasury bond rose about 0.5% from the end of January through the end of March. That move may not seem like much, but it hurts Tesla stock in a couple of ways. Tesla is a high growth company, and higher interest rates make financing growth more expensive. What's more, growth companies generate most of their cash flow in far in the future. The present value of the future cash is worth less, relatively speaking, when investors can earn higher yields on their money now. The Treasury yield wasn't the only factor impacting the stock, though. Tesla missed fourth quarter earning estimates, disappointing the street and investors. Tesla earned about 80 cents a share, and analysts were looking for more than a dollar. The first quarter earnings miss snapped a streak of 5 consecutive big quarterly beats by the company. Credit Suisse analyst Dan Levy, however, sees another beat coming when first quarter numbers are reported. He is above the consensus estimate, predicting first quarter earnings per share of 85 cents, while the rest of the street expects about 73 cents. When the numbers come out on April the 26th, Levy wants to see a beat, strong delivery guidance, and progress made on all of Tesla's new capacity going up and around the world. Levy still rates Tesla stock as a hold and an $800 price target. Overall, about 40% of analysts covering Tesla stock rate the shares at a buy. The average buy rating ratio for stocks in the S&P 500 is about 55%. But Tesla is often a controversial stock, and 40% is a big number for Tesla ratings. A year ago, only about 25% of analysts' shares were a buy. Okay, so he has $800 price target, and we just had a couple of articles the past few days, which I don't know if you keep up with Tesla or not, but you could literally just it's like a really, really entertaining stock. You can just check Yahoo Finance or just go to Google and type in Tesla stock, and it seems like every hour, whenever this stock is booming, you get some type of news coming out about it. Even if it's something small, they just constantly have stuff coming out about it, whether it be good or bad. But we did have someone bump their price target up to 1,000, and another person over 1,000. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the charts, guys, and see what they're telling us here. And I'll give you kind of some insight on, on what you should do moving forward if you're looking to buy the stock and get in, or if you've been holding the stock for a while, just to kind of show you, some options that you have. All right, guys. So Tesla is on fire the last couple of days, right? So we bounced off of that SMA line, which is great, a great sign for us. We did finally break through that resistance level of 708.25, and we are flying, guys. We're all the way up right now to 780 or 781 or 82. And the thing is, you want to kind of keep in mind, if you haven't gotten this stock yet, if you're thinking, man, I got to buy Tesla, you're going to be able to get it at a cheaper price, but the pullback may not be that significant. Okay, so right now we're overvalued, actually extremely overvalued on the RSI. Okay, so if you bought in right here at about the 670, 680 range, and you've been in it the whole time, then right now wouldn't be a bad time to take profits. And then whenever the dip happens, you could always buy in and get back in, okay, and ride it back up because it's going to keep going up. This 708.25, I see this holding support, even if we dip all the way down there. Keep in mind, guys, on stocks like this, as big a run up as it has, keep in mind it can have just as big a pullback, all right, and take away earnings fairly quickly. As you see how big of a pullback this was here from, about 732 all the way down to 564, and then whenever it starts coming back up, we hit 717. All right, so this stock can go either way in a significant way. All right, and um, so just kind of keep that in mind. So if one of my accounts yesterday, I took profits, and I'm going to look to get back in once we do see the MACD crossover from bullish to bearish, and I see that this RSI is going to dip down at least into fair value. Okay, if it goes into undervalued for some reason, you better believe I'm going to be eating that thing up. All right, but just know that support currently right now is 708.25. Your next resistance level is going to be 884.89. Okay, so just a little insight for you guys on where the numbers are currently, but just know that it's booming, guys. It's starting to come back, and you can expect a slight pullback, and then probably a really huge aggressive move to the upside in anticipation of earnings. But don't be surprised if you get a sell-off prior to earnings, because since it's moving prior to earnings, then usually you'll see that stock maybe will sell off either prior to earnings on the day of earnings, which could create some good buying opportunities. But with Tesla, that's one thing you never really know what to expect. So just make sure that you do your own due diligence and have your own plan of action. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.